This is a tutorial on how to take apart and change the screen on your Toshiba satellite l650. First off, what you got to do is get a little screwdriver, about this big, or whatever works, whatever you can get your hands on that'll take the screws out. And there's a screw here. Normally it's under a little black pad, but I took those off earlier. You got 4 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just got now that those are out, the next thing you do is pop off the sides here. It should just pop right off here. Just put a little force on them, not too much. I don't want to put too much force on them. You can just just pop those off. So you pop the case off, and you should look like this, so you can access the screen in the back. And then your next step is to take another screwdriver and take this out and bend it down a bit. And if you can see, we have some screws here. We gotta take those out. Now that the screws are out, you have this little cord here. What you want to do is try and take that out, but be careful not to damage the pins. I'll slide it out of there. Now that that's all done, you can take your screen out. This is the old screen, old broken screen. And then you grab your new screen, which if you order it, should come with a plastic rubber protectant sealant on it, and you should be able to just lay it flat so it get no scratches. And put her back on. I'll just put the thing on pause while I plug this thing back in. Now that's back in. Can begin putting it all back together. So we'll just put it on pause. And after you get your screen in, your screws on the side all done up. I'll put in 3 screws on each side. You just grab this thing, pop it back in place, and it should snap together. It's all snapped together. Now, just going to put it on pause while I try and go find a power cord. And we'll try it out. Make sure you put these screws back in. There's 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. And we'll be right back. Now that I've found the power cord, just turn her on. See if it works. If it works, you should have the screen.